Hey, you guys. Gonna make a quick IXL or a video of the IXL you're gonna do for tomorrow on CC4. So they're gonna break it into four different problems. Let's look at each four here and see how you do it. So the first thing, so they're gonna give you 9 numbers, and they're gonna say how would the range change if the number 96 were added to the set. So they're saying what would happen if I add 96 into this set. So before and after. So I'm going to look at what happens if I do just as it's written. I want to figure out the range. And then if I add the 96, what's going to happen after I add the 96? So let's start out. So let's just find the range as it's written. So range is the high, subtract the low. So the high is 93, the low is 45. I subtract them, I get 48. Now the question asks, how would the range change if 96 were added to the set? So they're saying, what happens if I put 96 in here? Well, that would take out my new high. That would be my new high. So I wrote that, subtract 45, and I get 51. So I answer the question, what's going to happen? Well, it went from 48 to 51. That's going to be a increase. All right. All right. The next. So they're going to give you a set of 7 numbers. And how would the median change if the number 5 replaced one of the ones in the set? So again, I did before, deal with what they give you, and then make the change and figure out what it's going to be after. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the median. And the median, you got to put them in order and find the middle number. So I put them all in order, 1, 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. Put them all in order. The middle number is 5. I got 3 here, 3 there. So then I'm going to replace one of the ones with the 5. So I put a 5 in place of this 1 right here. Then I got 3 on this side, 3 on that side. 5 is going to be the middle. So no change. All right. All right. A couple more. So I get a set of 5. It says, how would the mode change if the number 8 replaces the number 9 in the set? So a mode, which one occurs the most often? So again, if you look, the mode's easy. 8, 8, 8, 3 8s. That's my mode. Now they're saying, how would it change if the number 8 replaced the 9? So that's an 8. Well, instead of having 3 8s, now I have 4. So still the same. So there would be no change. That one's pretty easy. All right, and the tricky one, the mean. Again, the mean, you got to add them all up and divide by how many there are. So here's what I did. I took the mean and I added all these numbers up, just as is, and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I got 55. And I go back up. How would it change if 95 were added to the set? So instead of re-adding all these with 95, I just took its total and added 95 to it and divided it by not 7, but now I'm going to have 8 when I add 95 in there. When I take 480 divided by 8, it's going to give me 60. So what happened? Went from 55 to 60. That's an increase. All right, those are going to be the problems you're going to see. Good luck. Got questions? Get on Zoom. I'll help you out. All right, have a good one.